How to use Shopee Pay for transactions. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Shopee Pay for transactions. Open up the Shopee app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have My Wallet section. Go ahead and tap on the Shopee Pay option. If you have not activated Shopee Pay, you want to tap on the Activate option. Now you will have to verify your phone number in order to activate Shopee Pay. Along with that, you will also have to enter some basic information. After verification, you can create a 6-digit PIN for secure transaction. Now you want to top up Shopee. For that, on the dashboard, you have the top up option. You want to tap on that. Now select a top up method such as bank transfer or debit or credit card. Choose or input the amount you want to top up. Follow the on-screen prompts and then the funds will appear in your Shopee wallet after processing. Now, during the checkout process, you can easily use Shopee Pay. For this, on the payment option, you want to tap on the select payment method option. Here you have different payment methods. Go ahead and select Shopee Pay. Now you want to enter your Shopee Pay PIN. After that, you can tap on the place order option and complete the payment once the PIN is entered. And in this way, you can use Shopee Pay for transactions. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.